Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you love ramen as much as I do, you're in for a treat. Today I'm taking you on a delicious journey through Japan to discover the top ramen spots you simply must try. Let's start with the basics. Ramen is more than just a noodle soup, it's a cultural icon in Japan. The savory broth can be made from pork, chicken or seafood, and it's topped with mouth-watering ingredients like chashu, soft-boiled eggs, green onions, seaweed and bamboo shoots. Now let's dive into the different types of ramen you'll encounter. First up, Shoyu ramen. Originating from Tokyo, this style features a light, clear, soy-based broth. It's simple yet flavorful, a true classic. Next, we have Tonkotsu ramen from Kyushu. This one's famous for its creamy, rich pork bone broth that's absolutely indulgent. Miso ramen, a specialty from Hokkaido, brings a hearty taste with its fermented soybean paste base. Perfect for those colder days. And don't forget Shio ramen, one of the oldest styles, known for its simple and clear salt-based broth. Now, where can you find these delicious bowls? Let's start with Ichiran. Known for its Tonkotsu ramen, Ichiran offers a unique dining experience with private booths, allowing you to focus solely on the flavors. Customize your bowl to suit your taste. Ippudo is another must-visit. This popular chain serves Hakata-style Tonkotsu ramen and has multiple branches across Japan. No matter where you go, you're sure to enjoy a flavorful bowl. And for those who want to sample a variety of styles, Ramen Street at Tokyo Station is a must-visit. With numerous renowned ramen shops, it's a paradise for ramen lovers. Pro tip, for a classic experience, try Shoyu ramen in Tokyo. Don't be shy to add extra toppings like nori, soft-boiled eggs, or even extra noodles. Many ramen shops also offer gyoza or rice bowls on the side, rounding out a perfect meal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and let me know what you want to see next. Happy slurping!